All right, second game, first day.
But it's still like I saw him in the last game going like this. So it just hurts sometimes. Still. He needs to go see a chiropractor. It's just a matter of so,
We'll take it.
he was frustrated last game because he's like I couldn't even get the ball past him. I was like I get it. The solution is really soft-spoken. Yeah, very introverted. But he,
Come on, Kay, move out.
There we go.
There we go.
Get up there, Bob.
That's it. Woo!
But don't give up because he gets frustrated. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. By the end of last season, this team was just like decent. Yeah, but we just weren't ranked that well. I think we're ranked better this year. I'm not sure, to be honest. So there was a game and
let's go, Kay.
Smash got a
Nice.
goal, a direct
Where's
40
that?
yard, and then another one for the 35, like 5 minutes between each other. And this woman for the other team,
That's it.
Holy shit! I'm like,
Nice job, Blue D. Let's go, D. Go get him, Kay. Oh, I'm yelling. Oh, it's a nice looking ball. Oh, I can't see it. It's lost in the sun. Whoa, beautiful. Oh, nice ball.
go, Sam!
Go, Kay, go. That's it. That's it. Get it out. Oh. That's all right. That's going to click. That's going to come together. Yeah, feels good, doesn't it? I can't see the ball, but there we go. There we go, Kay. Woo!
Go, Sam!
Send him.
Go, Blue!
Let's go, Lightning. Yeah. Nice. Let's go, boys. Should call it man. Nice. Oh, little hot. No worries. That's it, guys. Great aggression, guys. Just as much for us to stay home.
Go!
Oh, here's a swing. That's it. Yep, I like it. There we go. On the move. Good, Karsten. Oh! Oh! He got out-stunted there.
That's it. Let's go, Blue!
Yep. Great job! Great job! Blue, Blue, come on. Nice work, Blue. Great ball. Great ball. Great ball, Marcelino.
Knock his ass.
Oh.
Nice hustle.
Nice work, guys. Nice work, guys.
Keep the pressure, Lightning.
Nice work, guys.
Nice stop.
Great step. Hand it up. Oh, like. Oh. Oh, that was pretty clean. Yeah. Let's go, Blue. It's not going direct. Good.
Come on, Marcel.
Great job. That's good. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Great step.
Very nice.
Here we go, boys. Let's go. Move out, move out, move out, move out.
Blue, go.
Go, Seb. Oh!
Dude.
Come on, Kate. Good step. All right, just don't give him a clear shot. Oh, what a save. Woo!
All right,
Woo!
Julian.
That was a nice hit, too. that was very nice on the other team. Good stuff. Come on, Kate.
Get that, Kay. Now, what position is Karsten?
Look, well, it looks like he's in defensive midi, but I thought he was in cam. Nice.
Head up.
Go, Seb! Why aren't you ready for that?
It's all right. Lock it up. Lock it up.
Don't stop running.
Come on, let's make these count. Oh. Let's go, guys. He will. Nice.
There we go.
on, Blue. Let's
go, Lightning!
Great, great, great,
stay with them,
great.
guys.
Double them up. What, really? Okay. Really? All right. That's it. Let's go, boys. Oops. Go.
Go, Kirsten! Go! Go!
Turn it right around. Nice.
There we go. Let's talk.
Don't get stuck in the midfield. All right.
Thank you.
I'll take it. Let's go, guys. Push it. Push it.
Blue! Let's go, Blue!
That's it. That's it.
Yes!
A little long. Let's go, Blue. Great job.
Why is Kirsten not wearing a glove?
Oh, is he not? Yeah, that's a good fight down there. Ooh, that's a really good fight.
Don't let that go. Come on, Blue.
Nice job. Let's go, Blue. Oh, nice slash. Nice ball.
Come on, Nate. Come on, Nate.
Go, Kay. Go with them.
Go, guys.
Go with them.
He's going.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good. Killed the drive. Good. I like it.
He look good.
Yeah. Yeah, we came out alive here. Do we all have to go turn our headlights on for lights or something?
That's what I was actually starting to wonder if they're going to click on.
Okay.
I look at my games though, there's price right.
Great job, great job, great job.
Good job, Blue.
Nice. Lock that up. Lock that up.
That's it, Nate.
Yep. Oh, what a step. Woo!
I want to tell Kay his gloves are in the top of his bag.
I know.
Maybe he doesn't want them.
Maybe he doesn't want them. I don't know. My hands are cold too. What was that?
Come on, Blue.
Nice. Nice D.
Keep it up,
Nice
Blue.
D.
Keep it up, Blue.
Don't argue.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, guys. Come on, Kate. Come on. Good. Yeah. That was good. It's good stuff. First half of the first half is good. Oh.
Oh my God.
What happened there?
I don't know.
Like call for the ball, or he acts like he could, and I got stuck between the whites behind me, like right here.
He just got it.
And he like
Don't play it with fire there.
yeah.
Come on, Blue.
Nice ball.
I have to turn this way.
The wind. Yeah, that is a little. Oh, oh. Nice.
Go, Blue.
Nice ball. It's a little hot.
Come on, Lincoln.
Upfield, guys. Come on. Don't get stuck. There we go.
Up. Good hustle, Blue. All right, Alex. Quick. Go, Alex.
It's fine.
All right.
Good. Rebounded off. Let's go, guys. Lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up. No worries.
Go ahead.
Great job. Great job.
Good job, Blue.
Let's go. There you go. That's it, Nate. That's it. Yeah, you can't leave him out there alone. That was a nice push.
Go, Blue.
There we go. That's it, Alex. Go. And cross. Nobody there. Oh. Yep. Another corner.
All right, Lightning, make it count.
Woo! Let's go, Blue!
Go Blue! Fire up!
Nice ball. Oh. Nice. For what?
Why? I don't understand what he's.
I didn't see that one. I don't know. It seemed like he was all on the ball, taking position. I didn't see it. But he's right there, so he must see something. Yeah.
Come on, Blue!
Alex, offense, offense. Push up, push up, push up, push up.
Come on, Blue!
That's fine. That's fine. Oh, that was nice.
That
Nice.
ball!
Clear that ball.
That was better than that.
That was the way to clear it.
Nice job, bub.
Go get him. Engage. Nice.
That's it. Good job, Lincoln.
That's it. That's it. Woo! Move it upfield. Now break up. There we go. One guy breaking. 94 breaking upfield.
Sam!
Come on, Alex.
That's it.
Oh, great.
Go, Sebastian.
There
Great
you go.
job.
Take it.
Woo!
Kick it, Seb.
Glad he's okay.
Good fight, Blue.
Nice work, Blue.
Let's see it, Seb.
Set it up, guys. Set it up.
Come on, White. Hold together.
Back.
Crank it in. Crank it in.
Come on, Blue. Good job.
Nice. That's it. Challenge that. You want the keeper playing it across the net? Go for it. Nice ball.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Hey, that's they're cranking. $15
Left.
Yeah.
Kirsten's not putting on any clothes.
Oh, God, my legs.
Go, Blue. Nice. Up. There you go. Come on, Alex. Go, Victor. Stay with it, Alex.
Nice, Alex.
Come on, Blue.
Uh-oh. Don't. No.
That's it. Stay with it, boys.
He's giving him some good, good runs from up top. Nice save, Julian.
Woo! Good job, Julian.
Let's go, Blue! Let's go, Blue! Nice ball.
Nice.
Woo!
Way to go, Julian.
Take it. Take the field. That's it. Look at that.
There we go.
Nice ball.
There we go. Up.
Let's go. Let's go.
Go, buddy.
Stay on it.
Nice ball. Nice ball. Beautiful ball. Great job. Great job.
Go, Lincoln.
Nice work, guys. Nice work.
Blue, good hustle.
Come on, Lightning. Nice work, guys. Come on. Offense, guys. Offense. There we go.
Go up, D. Yes.
Go, Blue. Come on. Good.
It's got heat. Nice. Nice, Seb. Go. Go. One to beat.
Oh, come on.
Thank you.
Yeah. Here it comes.
Woo!
Nice job, Sam.
Way to go, Seb.
You guys making that happen. Nice work, Blue.
You ready?
Not a bad ball. Oh. Take the corner. Come on, Blue. A lot of green, Blue. A lot of green. Come on. Fill in all that green. Oh, nice. No.
Yes.
Nice catch, Keith. Nice kick. Yeah, don't give him the field.
Good job, Marissa.
Nice. He is quick. Whoa, oops.
Come on, Blue. Go, Alex.
You, buddy.
Go, Marissa.
Come on, Bubba.
Go with him. Go with him.
Yeah, buddy. Nice feet.
No worries. No worries. Great, Blue. Great job, Blue. Come on. This is it. Nice run, guys. Nice run. Come on.
Good job, Sam. Come on, KJ.
Come on, let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Woo. Ooh. Boy, he's fast. Yeah, good. Come on, guys. Open up. Not back to him. Up.
Head up. That's it. Come on, Kay, up.
That's it. Turn it loose.
73.
Nice.
Nice step.
Reset that, Kay. Oh, bobbled. Nice job.
Go get it, Kay.
Come on, Kay. Nice job, guys. Come on, guys. Open up. Open up.
Go.
Upfield. Come on, let's go. It's fine. Pressure him.
You can't pick it up. Pressure him.
Nice run.
Wow.
Is that Will? Yeah, that was Will. Uh-oh.
Way to go, Will.
Woo! I would say he was moving. He went for that. It's difficult to see.
Get it, Kay. Get it.
He's on him.
Go, 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 go.
Come on, guys. Let him kick. Let him kick. Push up, guys. Push up. Nice job, guys. Nice job, Blue. Come on. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue. That's good. Go get it. Touched out. It was out. It's okay. I can see it from here, too. Yeah, those aren't great lights. Come on, throw that through. Here we go. Just mishandled. Just mishandled.
Go, Abdi!
He's on defense, huh? Yeah, he's a defensive mid, but I still think he ought to be pressing this.
Come on, Blue.
That's it, guys.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Great angle, great angle. Come on, Kay, move it out of there. Come on, move it out. Let's go, move it out. Move it out. That's fine. Let them kick randomly.
That's it. Good job, Lincoln.
All right, reset. Up, 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 up. Up.
Fast. Dump it.
Yes, yes, yes!
Get on that, Kay. Get on him. Get on him.
Come on, Blue. Go. Good job.
Ooh.
Come on, Blue.
Nice ball. Come on, Kay. Upfield.
Go ahead!
Ooh, that was a nice move.
Come on, Blue.
That guy's working it. Is that a corner? Wow. Apparently after this game. It's getting a little dark.
Oh, the lights over there on.
Did they turn any on?
Go, Martha. Come on, Blue.
Stay on him. Woo!
Good hug.
All right, halftime. Second game, first day.